Garlic Sesame Noodles. First, prepare the sauce. Soy sauce. We used cocoa aminos, garlic and ginger, sesame oil, oyster sauce, honey or brown sugar. Mix well. Now prepare the veggies. Red bell pepper, carrot, broccoli. Time to cook. Use yakisoba noodles. Cook the carrots and pepper. And then cook the meat. Cook the broccoli. Add the noodles back. Pour the sauce. Mix in the rest of the veggies. Don't forget the meat. And then mix it all together. You can garnish with green onion and sesame seeds.